Hi, this is Michael. Welcome back to the second in a series of demos on the capabilities of Direct DMS. In our first demo, we showed you how to sign on, browse for documents, upload documents, and add metadata to documents. Now we'll walk you through the key steps of collaboration: permissions, roles, checkout and check-in, discussions, and notifications. First, we want to give Bill, who is part of the accounting department, access to the expense receipts folder. But we don't want him to make any changes. We want to give Bill read-only access. Let's select the expense folder by clicking on it. We now see the documents within the folder. I next select permissions from the Actions on this folder panel, which will show who has access to the folder and the levels of access such as read, write, and edit. Currently, only system administrators and the workspace owner have access to this folder. To give Bill read access to this expense folder, we'll click on Edit Permissions and Show All to see the available entries to which we can give permissions. We're going to select the accounting group in which Bill is a member. Click on the right chevron, then we check the fewest permissions we want the accounting group to have, in this case read and folder details. We also want to give Mary, who is also part of the accounting department, access to the folder, but we will allow her to make changes. In other words, we want to give her edit permissions, so we'll add the editor role to the assigned entities. Then we'll check read, write, add folder, delete, folder details, and rename folder permissions. Then click Update Permission Assignments. Now we need to add Mary to the editor role for this folder. So I click on Allocate Roles from the Actions on this folder panel, then click on Override Parent Allocation from the editor role. Then we click the Edit Users icon. Now we'll select Mary from the available users list and click on the right chevron. Then click on Save Changes. Mary can now edit the document. With a combination of groups and roles, you can have substantial flexibility in controlling user permissions. Now let's go into Direct DMS as Mary. Mary decides that she would like to make a change to a document. After she is logged in under her own credentials, she selects the document and then checks out the document by selecting Checkout from the Document Actions panel. She clicks Continue. The system prompts Mary for a reason as to why she is checking out the document and clicks on the checkout. This is crucial information as it helps you maintain a document audit trail. The document is then saved to our desktop. When we navigate back to the Expenses folder, we can see the document is checked out by Mary. While the document is checked out, no one else can make any changes. After checking out the document, Mary can make as many changes as she wishes before she checks the document back in. To check in the document, Mary first selects the document and then selects Check-in from the Document Actions panel. When documents are checked back in, a new version is automatically created with a new version number. Mary is given the option of making this a major or minor version upgrade. We'll learn more about version control in a later tutorial. Mary then enters a reason for the update and clicks Check-in. If we navigate back to the Expenses folder, we'll see that the document is no longer checked out. Another key collaboration feature is discussions. There can be multiple topics for any given document. These are also known as threads. Here we show a subject made by Bill after he had reviewed the Michael's receipt document. To see the supporting text and to enter a reply, we would click on the subject. In this case, Mary is going to enter information to create a new thread. Now this discussion can be ongoing. Anyone who has been given access to the document can contribute to an existing discussion or start their own. Another collaboration feature is notifications. You can receive notifications about changes to a folder or a document. In this case, we want to receive notifications anytime anything changes within the expense folder. This is accomplished using either an RSS feed or entering a subscription to the folder. To enter a subscription to a folder, we select the Expenses folder and click Subscribe to Folder. And that's it. If we want an RSS feed, we click on RSS in the Actions on this folder panel. We'll choose the application we want to receive the notifications and subscribe now. In this demo, we have shown you how easy it is with Direct DMS. to set up document collaboration. In the next demo, we will show you how you can find documents. From all of us here, we wish you a pleasant day.